table setup.
It's neat. It's nice.
So this is number 1 going on the eyebrow for the lamination.
Wow, but she's the perfect model. Look at those brows.
Yes.
Just perfect.
She's beautiful.
Look who's talking.
Uh-huh.
Look at that. Look at that. And the good feeling. You feel like you're getting every little lash.
Yeah. Good. Miss Yermilova, it's thoroughly saturated?
Yes.
Yeah, she did.
Okay. Feels a little dry. That's why. Okay,
It's
good.
saturated.
Good.
Yeah.
Oh, I should put on my timer.
No, this one.
Oh, her little saran wrap, I see.
Oh yeah, Miss Mary, you didn't see all this.
Cool, saran wrap. So this is the cleanser?
No.
This is the first,
Waving
the
lotion.
waving lotion. So apply with the brush and then go up with the spoolie,
Uh-huh. To shape them.
right?
And then shape, and then put the saran wrap.
Just put another one because I have
Right.
product on it. Okay, here, and then I just go.
Not all the way down.
slide
higher.
it up.
Yeah. And then
Slide
like
up.
drag it up.
And that is this product right here.
Okay, so you. How long we're
Eliplex.
waiting?
5 minutes.
You timed it, right?
Yeah, I think they look good. They look ready. Especially this inner corner.
How often
Took
can
fast.
you do it?
You'll notice.
Use that clear,
No, I mean like once a month,
eyebrow
or
Supposed to be
twice a month.
6 weeks, I think.
clear eyebrow gel to
Yeah.
hold them.
Well, this will help that clear brow gel.
Because I always put my little gel.
Your skin is sensitive, though. That's for sure.
Okay, so-
now clean your brush and then put number 2, and saran wrap again. And can you see how they've relaxed?
Mm-hmm.
You could see it.
I have a couple of stubborn ones.
I think next time we'll start with the outer edges.
Actually, this brow has kind of stubborn ones. The right one.
Oh, but you got them to lay down better.
Neutralizer. And then brush up again.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
There's the setting lotion. Yeah, that went nice and tight.
Wow, they're so long. So now you're gonna cut them all, but not that short. Not
No. I'll just trim a little bit. Yes. That was good.
It's like a facelift.
Perfect. Oh, now I need to see. How long does the neutralizer, Miss Yermilova?
Let me check.
4 to 6 minutes.
Neutralize. You didn't put. Yes, 4 to 6.
Oh,
Because I covered the
yeah.
whole thing at
see
once.
the difference?
Big difference.
Big
Although
time.
your eyebrows were gorgeous to start with, but now, wow.
It's a serum, like a conditioner.
That's from the other brand.
It's from another brand, but it's called Keratin Boost. I'm trying to get the photo. Yeah, Keratin Boost.
I'm not gonna trim them, Miss Yermilova, because
You don't need to trim them because they're not
when they
long.
lay,
Like
they're
if I
filling my
will
gaps.
do it this way, you won't even see them.
Right.
But you have 2, 3 stubborn ones.
Yeah.
But if I
Okay.
will
I think
trim them,
every client
I mean not
might
trim.
have
If
some
I'm
stubborn
gonna
ones.
tweeze them, you're gonna have holes.
Yeah. Because I fill them in.
horrible. I have no tail.
That's okay. We can tint it.
How it got lighter.
I
Do you see
need
the
the
color in
eyebrow.
that middle corner?
Not
Yeah.
the clear gel, but a brown gel.
You're beautiful.
You know
Miss
what? I
Yermilova.
don't want to brush them with the spoolie
I know.
because
Of the irritation, maybe
Yes.
after, yeah.
yes,
Maybe
it's
at
gonna
this
irritate.
moment, be gentle.
If you or you can use it like a
So I went and
This
she told
is
me
the-
what to buy.
Tree tool for the lashes and eyebrows.
Pokey
There's
things.
the comb right there.
Oh, this one.
Try. I mean, it's gonna scratch just the same, I think.
She's doing very lightly,
Yeah.
but that's a good
Beautiful.
tool, and it's small, so you can control things that you do.
Beautiful.
So the clients would come like every 2 weeks, you think?
No, I think it said 4 to 6 weeks.
4 to 6 weeks.
And brows, I think, last longer than the lashes.
That's good, like once a month or a month and a half. That's pretty good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Like once a
Yeah,
month
there
for
it
the
is.
next 3 to 4 months.